Lots of brake bumps. Oh yeah, it's super sandy. Man, it is. Oh shit, Mario, good? Oh shit! Shit. Oh fuck! Hey, what up YouTube? I'm just leaving the gym. Kyle had to drop off his truck, so we're starting a little bit late. Got in just a real quick workout. But I want to say thank you to everybody that came out for the group ride over the weekend. Had a blast, super fun. Thank you to Mother Earth Brewery donating all those beers. Shout out to Laguna Bike Shed for hosting us. The new Laguna Bike Fest date has been set. It's been postponed to February 1st and 2nd. It's a Saturday and Sunday. It's a 2-day event now. It's gonna be bigger, so it's gonna be better. There's possible rain coming next week, we'll see. But I'm hoping that we can do another dig event before the festival, and I hope you guys can make it out. Appreciate it. Peace.
A few minutes later.
All right, YouTube, what's up? We're at the beach with Matt, Kyle, Mario, and Casey. We're gonna do a mix of some shuttling and pedaling today. All right. I'm on, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, ride safe, boys. All right, this is oh my God, the first trail. Follow Mario. Oh my God. Holy shit, man, it's pretty jacked up in there. Helmet, it's a tad bit too big for me. Like when it gets super chunky, it's like shaking big time. Lots of brake bumps. Oh yeah, it's super sandy. Man, it is. Oh shit, Mario, good?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Yeah, it's like really sandy. Like if you grab your rear is just basically sliding out.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I want to show you guys all of our fingers. So this is mine.
Mine's healed up.
Not that bad.
Mine's right here.
Kyle's is not that bad.
Mine healed pretty good. Just a little.
Another dislocation there.
Yeah.
Casey's is kind of fucked up. It's kind of going this way. Oh yeah, Mario's had a surgery on his hand. The doctor did a really good job. Now Matt probably needs to contact Mario's doctor.
I'm gonna recommend my surgeon.
Let me see this. It's pretty messed up. What do you guys think?
Y'all need a surgeon. You,
Yeah.
you let me know.
Yeah.
Hook you up.
Yeah.
There's a finger surgeon watching this video.
Yeah. All right. This is a second trail. Following Casey. Oh shit. Right. Holy shit. Wow. Visibility is a 0 right there. Ah! Oh shit! Whoa! There's a right turn, Mario. Right there. So dope. Make a left, Mario. Just a roller. Yeah. Fun, right?
Oh, I never.
Fun, right? Yeah.
That's good.
Good.
The only thing is,
Good shit.
a lot of demand on my quad.
That was good.
Hit that little first jump.
Matt has Kyle and Mario's getting double fisted.
Mario can take two.
Yeah. Mario's more experienced. All right. This is trail 3 on Kyle. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, God. Oh my god. Jesus. Man. Everything's eaten. Yeah. Dude, it's like a sand pit. All right, Marl, this is the one I'm talking about right here. It's like that, but worse right here. Right, safe? All right, this is really fucked up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, man, shit's fucked up, man. All right. So good. Ah! Oh. Yeesh.
We bucketed up so much mud to build that, and look
Yeah.
how good it's holding up.
Wow.
All summer, no rut.
Hell yeah. Yeah?
Did the same thing.
Oh, did you? Yeah, it's deep right there.
It fell right on my wrist. Once you get into the middle on that, just stay on the spine. You kind of want to stay on the high spot.
More moments later.
Right, safe. All right, this is the blunt roll. Oh my God. Whew. Lost my footing there. I lost my foot. Holy shit.
Oh!
It's a little bit of a compression, but I knew that, so I was. Oh, nice. I was good with it.
Follow you can see, then I remember the left lane that just split out.
Many tic tacs later.
Okay, just go super chill like that. Don't worry. We're gonna get you up. This is the fourth show. This is my first time on this one. Wow. I cannot see. Oh my God. I can't see, dude.
This one?
Looks like the line's over there.
Oh, it's trail.
Oh, they're cradling. I think something gnarly is happening. Catch berm! Holy shit! Oh my God! Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it's steep. Oh, it's... Oh my gosh! Oh! Woo! Man! Oh my God!
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna eat it. Uh-oh. Something happened. Let me try to get this. Oh, here they come. It's steep! Yeah! You! Oh yeah.
Front brake.
Yeah.
Look it. I think I
Oh.
bent my lever
Oh shit.
on that sharp right turn.
No.
Dude, that was wild, dude.
Yeah.
That's unrideable, dude. That's unrideable.
Good ride though. Good ride. It's something's fucked. That was fun, dude.
Yeah, that was fun. Super fun.
Fuck yeah.
Good ride. That's cool.
Oh shit.